In the heart of the civil rights movement, a man emerged whose words would resonate through history, inspiring millions and igniting change. His name was Martin Luther King Jr., and he possessed a remarkable gift for persuasive communication. A packed auditorium filled with passionate individuals, united in their fight against racial injustice. Martin Luther King Jr. steps onto the stage, his presence commanding attention and respect. The room falls silent, eager to hear his powerful message. As he begins to speak, his words carry a unique blend of passion, intellect, and empathy. With every carefully crafted sentence, he weaves a narrative that transcends the boundaries of race and touches the core of human emotion. His speeches, like I Have a Dream, are not just speeches. They are powerful anthems of hope and equality that reverberate in the hearts of all who hear them. The power of Martin Luther King Jr.'s persuasive communication lies not only in his eloquence, but also in his ability to connect with people on a deeply personal level. He paints vivid pictures with his words, invoking images of a better future where equality and justice prevail. He appeals to the values and aspirations of his audience, tapping into their hopes and dreams for a more inclusive society. But it's not just the words that make Martin Luther King Jr.'s communication so impactful. It's his unwavering belief in his cause and his genuine empathy for those who suffer injustice. He speaks not just for himself, but for the countless individuals who have been silenced and oppressed. His authenticity shines through, resonating with his audience and inspiring them to take action. Martin Luther King Jr.'s persuasive communication extends far beyond the podium. He harnesses the power of the media, using newspapers, television, and radio to spread his message of equality and justice. He understands the importance of reaching a wider audience and leveraging every available platform to amplify his voice. The impact of Martin Luther King Jr.'s persuasive communication is felt not only in the hearts and minds of individuals, but also in the corridors of power. His speeches and advocacy played a pivotal role in shaping public opinion and influencing policymakers. Through his words, he challenged the status quo, demanding change and pushing for legislation that would dismantle racial segregation. Today, we continue to draw inspiration from Martin Luther King Jr.'s legacy of persuasive communication. His words remind us of the power we possess to affect positive change through our own voices. They teach us that persuasive communication is not just about rhetoric, but about authenticity, empathy, and the unwavering belief in a better future. As we reflect on the life and work of Martin Luther King Jr., let us remember the profound impact one individual can make through persuasive communication. Let us be inspired to use our own voices to advocate for justice, equality, and a world where every person is treated with dignity and respect.